So guys, this is my current setup right now. I know it's not much to look at. There's a lot going on in here, but this is what I'm working with right now. I currently share this room with my wife, and this is what we got going on in here. That's my new computer case. Like, I'm about to do a new build. I want to do a lot of stuff to this room. Like, I want to move all these shoes just to make it look a little better. Because all these shoes bundled up like that kind of throwing me off. This is my PC at the moment. I'll let y'all know what's in there in a minute. But see, I got all this stuff right here going on that need to get cleaned up. So this Friday, I'll be going to Micro Center. That'll be my first time going. So I'll be doing a new build. I don't know what I want to do yet, but as you see, I stay on the Micro Center website, looking up stuff, researching on YouTube what to do, or the best parts. So currently I have my PlayStation 5 over here. These are not 4K monitors. These like 1080p, high refresh rate. I think this one right here is like 240. Yeah, this one 244. This one is 140, 165, I think. But yeah, let me show y'all the interior of my PC. I don't know if I should open this with the computer on, but hold on. So yeah, like I was saying, this is my current setup right now. Not much to look at. I built this computer back in, I want to say 2021 or 2022. I recently upgraded to like the 3060, 3060 Venture 2. This card right here. And I came from I had a RX 570. So yeah, that junk was ancient. And in here right now, the CPU is a Ryzen 5 2400G. Yeah, so y'all know that's old. But it been holding up for the most part. But I'm just ready for new, ready to upgrade. Got a under the desk rack right there. And I've been using these. I got these from like Staples. So these work pretty good. I need to get another pack of these. So yeah, y'all, that's what we got going on. I'll probably see y'all again Friday. We actually at Micro Center. So talk to y'all again then. All right, y'all. If it's here, I'm gonna show y'all the motherboard I've been looking at. Let's see if I can find it. All right, y'all. I can't find my motherboard. Let's see if they got the processor. I guess I can't go in here. I guess I gotta wait on one of them. All right, y'all. So I've been doing a lot of research, so I'm gonna go ahead with the 9800 X3D. The best processor on the market right now. Kind of pricey, but we saved for it, so let's go with that one.
Anything else on the list, man?
No, not right now.
Alright, I gotta throw this up front, so whenever you're ready, just let me know you got it up there, man.
Okay. When they start doing that, y'all? Alright. I'm having trouble finding this motherboard, but I seen it online. And I left my phone in the car, so I can't look at my part list. Definitely not that. This is it. I think. No. Alright, y'all. Got my power supply. Still having the hardest time finding a motherboard. And as y'all can see, they don't really got no graphics card. I don't want no 6800, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Definitely don't want no 77. So that's where we at right now. Struggling. They already got the 9800. They took it up front for me. Huh?
You remember who was helping you with the processor?
No.
But these are the Gigabyte AMD boards here.
Yeah.
But the person who's helping you with the processor will be back shortly.
Okay.
Tom, were you helping him with the processor?
No, it wasn't him.
Must have been Joe then. Joe, were you helping him with the processor?
No, not him neither.
Kim.
It was like a bigger guy.
Did you? Oh. Is Martin here?
Martin's already left. But he left at 4, so maybe it was.
It's not the E. It's the 870 though. I've seen it online, but I'm not sure if it's in stock.
Let's go to the computer real quick. I'll show it to you. Maybe you'll recognize it.
Okay.
If you're gonna do it, just.
Cause all the. Sir, was it him?
What is that? Yep.
It's already up.
He doesn't work on this one. So.
Okay.
That's good. I'll keep helping you.
I just grabbed it because y'all were all busy and I called twice. So.
Yeah, that's fine. I just want to make sure it wasn't somebody who works in this department. I was still trying to help him.
Appreciate it.
All right, so we're good there.
All right.
So now we need.
I already got a PC case. Fans.
Which case are you using?
The Y70.
Y70. Okay. So you need fans for it.
Yep. Fans.
Are you planning on getting a water cooler?
Yes. The Rogue water cooler. Yep.
Black.
Yep.
Lovely. Did you want the RGB one or this one?
Do y'all have the RG one in black? RBG one in black?
Oh no, that's a tough.
I think it's
That's
only
not
in
RGB.
white.
Yeah, sorry, I was thinking of the tough.
It's
This is the one?
Addison. Yep.
Okay, cool. Put that on there. And then for the fans for the rest of the case. And it's just a normal Y7.
Yeah, I'm
right?
good. How you doing?
Yep.
It doesn't look like it comes with any fans at all. So you have 3 that you're gonna put. Are you gonna put that radiator on the top or the side or the bottom?
These fans on here interchangeable, right?
Yes.
So it's gonna be 3 sets of fans.
So you want to do 10 fans or 9? Because you can do 1 on the back, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom, 3 on the side.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
So 10. And you want to replace those ones entirely.
Mm-hmm.
Did you want RGB fans?
Yeah, I was looking at the Lee and Lee wireless.
Man, you took the words right out of my mouth. That's what I was about to say. I was about to say that, but you know, did you want the LCD ones?
No, not the
screens?
LCD.
Okay. So I have. So we have these. Oh no, those are the LCD screen ones.
Did a reverse blades, right?
These are the reverse blades of the normal ones.
Okay.
These ones are the normal ones in LCD. There
That
they are.
is the enclosure there.
People keep putting stuff in the wrong spot. So we're set of reverse for the bottom. Man, where you going? You can't go home. And then these are for the top and the side. These are the normal ones.
Okay.
And then
So is it bad to put all of them reverse blades?
yes, because you want airflow. You don't want negative air pressure.
Okay.
So you want air to flow from the front through to the back and from the bottom into the top.
Okay.
So the reverses are for the bottom. Well, in your case,
I
it'd be the
got
side.
you.
And
I
then the
got
regular
you.
ones for the top. And then one reverse one for the back.
Oh yeah, I need a single for the back. One single.
Were you planning on building it yourself, or did you want our team to build it for you?
I'm gonna do it.
And then, what graphics card are you planning on using?
I really want that Red Devil, that 7900
That's
XT.
right, we did talk about that 700 XT. So that'll definitely fit in there. This is enough wattage for that.
The M.2.
Yep. Did you need the operating system too? And what size NVMe did you want to do?
2 terabyte.
I would recommend the 990 Pro 2 terabyte. That one's on sale for 170. It's a really solid drive.
170.
Is that more than you want to spend? If it's more than you want to spend, you could do the 990 Evo Plus. That one is 150, or the P41. That's a really good one there. That one's 135.
And you recommend this one?
The Samsung one's a
9.
very popular one, and it's one of the better drives.
Yeah, let's go with it, man.
Okay.
Let's go with it.
Let's make this list real quick.
All right.
They're selling very well. We actually sold out of them the last couple of days, but I guess we're
All right,
getting
guys, that's pretty much it. Only thing we missing is a graphics card.
it's not at a point where you
I'm probably gonna end up trying to find it online.
did you say the logo on the video?
If not, if they get it before then, I'll come back here.
It has logo. We were
And that's how we're gonna do that. I don't know how the video gonna turn out, because I wasn't expecting to have no help with me. But I did struggle a little bit trying to find a graphics card, trying to find parts. So, it is what it is. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Got anything specific that you're looking forward to doing on this thing? What's the build?
Just some gaming and editing.
All right. What games?
A little bit of everything. I want to get into the new one came out. What it is? Helldivers? I ain't started playing it yet, though.
It's good. It's
Yeah.
real good.
I've been watching videos on it.
That game is so unbelievably cinematic. Just every second.
Yeah.
Been playing a lot of Helldivers recently.
Yeah.
And something's going on. I don't know what, but I'm currently on the. I know you haven't played the game yet,
Yeah.
but currently, if you look at like the whole map of the galaxy, there's a black hole that is slowly moving across the galaxy.
Oh, wow.
Nobody has any idea what that means because that has not happened before.
Yeah.
People think it might be on like a collision course with Earth. I
Yeah.
don't know what on earth we're supposed to do with that. What are we gonna shoot at it? I don't know.
Yeah, I gotta get into it.
Take stocks or anything when you're building it.
Appreciate it.
All right. Well,
Thank you.
you have a good one.
You too.
Good luck putting it all together.
All right. I thought you was in the car.
That's crazy.
What? How you met me?
Yeah, I was going to go to the car because I was tired of walking. I thought
I was in this. I was in there struggling. I wasn't expecting them to help me. I needed you to hold the camera.
That dude, they done asked me like 21 times, do I need help? But they never ask you.
Yeah, they've been asking me the whole time.
Then why you didn't get them?
Now
though?
I did them to hold the camera.
Yeah.
Man, you tripping?
It'd be like,
All right, y'all. I had to stop by my favorite store in the world, by the small chance that they might have a graphics card that's worth putting in a new PC. So let's see what's going on. So y'all, that's all they got. I don't know if I want a 4070. I really want that XTX. Oh, they got a 78. But yeah. What is it? This is 7900. But I don't know about that. XT. I think I might just wait. Ain't no rush anyway. Imagine having this thing in your setup. That's crazy. What's that price tag? Oh, that ain't bad. Almost $2,000. You'd think it'd be more. But that ain't too bad. So yeah, they did have some graphics card over there, but nothing I want to go with. So I'm gonna go with my first thought and just wait. Either find somebody with one and get a good deal on it, or just go to Amazon or something. So that's where we at right now, y'all.